do the deviled eggs like you said. All right, Clapper employees, please line up.
Hi, my name is Harry. I'm a content writer here on Clapper, and I'm gonna grab an egg. I'm also a deviled egg stan. So I'm very
You need to try it.
very good.
Okay.
And I'm the one with my sweet relish. This is very good. This is very
really?
good.
Can you relish?
No, but it's delicious.
Okay, great.
I'm having coffee and eggs tonight. My name is Maria. I am the operations associate here at Clapper. I'm also the face behind Clapper Sounds. I'm gonna eat this egg.
How's it, Maria?
Oh my god. Oh fudge. Oh wait, it's an adult app. But it tastes really good. I had a chunk of relish and I loved it.
Oh, great.
It added some texture to it.
I think we didn't get that one.
I know. Wow.
Really
Alright.
good. Awesome.
Really good.
Hi, I'm Lauren, and I am the operations associate. So I'm kind of the face behind Clapper Academy.
Yes.
Yeah, there
New
we go.
face.
Yes, new face. Okay, I
Got it,
love.
Lauren.
Oh, this is so good. Yeah, really good. The whole thing.
Great.
Amazing.
Hi guys, my name is Eric. I am the social media designer and associate. So I'll be having an egg tonight. Let's see how it tastes. Go.
Just eat the whole thing.
Eric, you barely got any of the eggs.
Eat it, yeah. I think. You like it?
I approve.
Great.
Yes, perfect. We can cheers all together.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, that's so good.
Why?
You ate the whole thing.
Not on my lip. So I was saying, it would taste so good on toast. So good. It'll be good.
Mmm.
This is so good.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I think 10 out of 10.
And I usually don't like,
I love it.
how do you call that?
Eggs?
No. Mustard.
Okay, Oreo doesn't like mustard.
But I did like this.
We're
Let
gonna
me
clear
show-
this tray off
Let
tonight.
me find a good one to show people up close.
Oh, I need to save some for Michael.
How they look. Pretty creamy.
Just give me my phone.
Beautiful.